No, but the show's going to be really exciting. It actually be something I think I'd see you watching because you're very much on trend. But it's going to be a pop style show where we talk about everything in pop culture and fashion and beauty and even food. And we're allowing the viewers to actually have a play in our show. That's the best part of it.
So wait a minute. Let me just fill everyone in. I'm getting the behind the scenes scoop. Just announced Pop Style, the new show with Jeannie Mai and Louise Rowe. So tell me, you're telling me that the audience is going to, or the viewers are able to be involved?
Yeah.
How?
This is going to be really, really fun because obviously, I mean, I love what I have to say. I love what Louise has to say. But at the end of the day, we care about what everybody else out there has to say. So this show is going to integrate individuals that are watching to incorporate their opinions, their votes. We're going to let them make or break our show topics. So it's going to be really cool. You got to check it out.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So what are the details? When can we start looking for it?
That is going to be announced. I don't have that info for you because you know I'd always tell you. But I will say that Luis and I love our community. So if you follow us on Twitter, we will always keep you posted and updated with everything. My Twitter is at Jeannie Mai.
Hey guys, gotta follow
Network. I mean, my style's always gonna let you guys know what's going on.
Well, obviously you have fabulous style. I do need to hear about this gorgeous harness dress that Louise teased about. I'm like dying over it right now. You have to tell me everything to your hair and your braid and your blue hair color. Love it.
Okay, well, the hair is actually Cesar Ramirez. He's an amazing hairstylist. He does Sierra. He also does Ashanti. He does all of the girls on Adriana Bayon and so forth. But the hair's Cesar. The dress is Ted Baker. The harness is actually fresh off the runway from BCBG from Zana Bain.
Yeah, because you roll like that.
Yes.
Fresh off the runway harness right here.
Fun. And then we have a fun zippered clutch by, this is actually by Jarma Gionte.
Gorgeous. So when you've spent your career making women feel beautiful about them,
yes.
Who they step out the door and feel beautiful. So you have to have some cardinal Jeannie Mai style rules.
Of course. I would say number one is you will not have fashion if you don't have fit. You have to have things fit your body to the right detailing of your curves. Otherwise, it really does look like you just kind of grab something off the rack, right. Which isn't a bad thing, but if it looks like it, it's not so great. Number two, you have to be comfortable. Yeah. Yes, of course, it's not the most comfortable thing. Yes, when you have those Spanx hiked up, it's not always amazing. But look at the overall style, and is the message that you want to say conveyed in what you're wearing? If so, then you're going to look on point. If you're not sure if the message is sending mixed signals, if somebody's asking you to wear something that's not really you, it's not going to look natural on you. That's number two. And I would say number three is don't follow trend, follow your story. Your story is your style. If you're a mom and you have kids, wear something that's comfortable to you that makes you feel like you can still play with your kids and get around. If you're looking for a job and you want to wear bright, sophisticated colors to show that side of you, make sure that you show that and don't wear something that is trying too hard to be something else.
Right. So basically, by being you will find your own style.
Yes. And I think that's what I love Style Network is that they're always embracing individual style. This is why when you look at all of the type of shows on Style Network, they're always embracing the different individuals and where they come from. Even if you don't agree with that particular lifestyle, you know that there are people out there and you want to get a second perspective into that person's life. Yeah. And that's why it makes me feel really proud to be a part of a network that always will embrace the one thing that's always on trend, your personal style.
Love it. Oh my gosh, you are just a true style maven. Now there's one other thing I need to ask you about, red carpet style this season. 2013, what are you loving on the red carpet? Because I love that you agree with me on Kate Hudson, Golden Globes, gorgeous, right?
Hands down, I think she was the best dressed. Number one thing for this upcoming spring is going to be black and white. Batty B did it so great at the Grammys. Black and white is going to be huge on trend. Also, surprisingly, cropped shorts. So shorts are going to be in right after, below the knee, so you can skip the shaving, ladies.
I was just going to...
Yes, but I'm going to have to work myself into that because I'm kind of short myself, so I don't know if I'll look so amazing in that, but I just want to throw it out there as your fashion expert. I got to let you know. Also, we're also going to see a lot of lace cutouts. So lace is going to be very beautiful. Faith Hill did it beautifully on the Grammys red carpet, so that's going to be another trend too.
Absolutely. Well, I love all your style knowledge. I feel so much more stylish just by talking to you.
I'm so glad. As long as you feel gorgeous.
I do. I feel gorgeous. You did your job. Thank you so much. Can we get a buzz you later into the camera?
Absolutely.
So this is
Buzz you later. Okay. Buzz you later.